Hello and welcome to another look for the new product from the Sending Smooches January release. Here is the There's No One Like You stamp set. Now that's Gnome One Like You. Our Gnome One Like You stamp set features 3 stamps in total. One main image of a cupid gnome holding a heart along with 2 different sentiments. The gnome measures approximately 3.1 inches by 2.8 inches. There is a coordinating die set available, and this coordinating die set perfectly die cuts all 3 images included in the Gnome One Like You stamp set. Let's take a look at some of the inspiration that our amazing design team has prepared for you.